Hey trader, Sean Kozak here, tuning in again with Tickblaze and the marketplace and the syndicates and just everything trading. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm going to put together a quick teaser video because my team and I have been working on something that I drastically think needs to be shared everywhere in this industry. You're going to get first dibs on this because you're part of our community, and we just really want you to be at the next webinar we're doing and show you what we've built. I want to talk a little bit about one of the most important things traders are doing is trading the opening range breakout. But it is, yes, it's one of the most widely traded strategies in the entire world. We have it as one of the primary systems in our trading rooms. We've built opening range one and done software strategies. We've built one and done algos. But there's something else going on in the market that is basically taking all of the opening range traders and squeezing all the juice out of them like the last lemon in the bowl. And what am I getting to, right? I can guarantee that everyone listening to this video has taken an opening range breakout and got stopped out. The breakout failed and it sucked in and hit their stop. Or they think the market's going to break out and it just reverses and tanks the other way. Or just when they take the breakout, it fakes out, they stop out, then they go down the other way, they take the breakout the other way, it stops out, and they get stopped out on both sides of the orb. If you've ever experienced this, I'm so excited. Why? Well, because I'm a math major and I study math and I have mentors and I learn from my mentors. And when I learn something from people that are better than me, I have an obligation to share it with every one of my students and everyone in my community. So let me explain what we've done. What you may or may not know is the opening range is the most manipulated time in the entire industry, in the entire market. The opening range is where institutions balance their positions from the overnight. It's where surges of liquidity come in and they set the tone for the day. It's normally a reaction of fundamental news that happens in the pre-market, and then when the equity markets open, they flush. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and we've developed a process that can help you identify with a very, very high degree of accuracy the likelihood of a manipulation open, okay? Now, this isn't something that I just came up with. This is something that very experienced traders know. And I'm just grateful that I've learned this in my 10 years of trading. And I'm able to, because being a software architect, I've built software to be able to do this so that you don't have to do all the calculations. You don't have to worry about what to do and when to do it. And rather than just talk about the software that we've built, I just want to show you the trades that I've taken doing this before we built the software, okay? Because as you know, I like to trade things first. I like to test things first. I want to validate things before I ever spend a lot of money and a lot of time building software for our traders, okay? So when the market is a certain size orb, or when the market is manipulating the open, I'm not looking to probe the opening range for a breakout. I'm looking to probe and reverse the range, right? And when you use this with direction and correlation, it's one of the most powerful things I've ever seen, right? You can get huge trades with very little heat, extremely fast follow through, and you can be done like very quickly in the day, right? And so this is a trade I took short off the opening range probe and rotation. It was a huge opening range on the YM, and basically took that for a huge profit, right? Here's another trade, took it out on the YM again. It flushed up, basically big profit. I think that might have been the same trade, but we'll keep going. Take a look at this. 3 trades, NASDAQ, ES, RTY, all trading probe rotations down. That was a huge day. Now you'll notice below we've got daily time frames below, a 5-minute chart. Well, there's a lot of math going on in what we're doing, right? There's science behind what we're doing. There's entry patterns behind what we're doing. We don't just reverse trade every opening range that we think is going to fail. There's a system behind this. There's mathematical numbers that have to validate the opening range manipulation candle. We then wait for the entry pattern. Once the entry pattern confirms itself, bam, we take the trade. This day was very good. Take a look at this, okay? The left-hand chart, didn't take a trade on this. Right-hand chart I did. S&P gave me the rotation, right? NASDAQ broke up real high, pushed higher highs, made divergence at the top. S&P wasn't. Look at the S&P, how it was consolidating right above the opening range breakout on the 15-minute opening range. As soon as I got my entry pattern, entered for a short, boom, huge trade. Look at that. That was an $11,000 trade. Huge day, right? Now, does that mean you are going to do this by yourself? There's a lot going on here, right? There's a lot going on that you need to learn. What we've done is we've automated the process. Here's a couple other trades, right, where you get the trades come in and basically take the short, write it down. Take a look at this one here. This was a huge one. This one was big, like big, 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 big. Like opening range flush off the open. I was watching what they're doing. We're in a bigger picture uptrend. Price manipulates down, sucks all the breakout traders in. Everybody feels like a hero. We're going to go for a downtrend. And I was sitting there waiting for longs. Huge day. Like, look at the rotation on both those trades. Very little heat. Look at my entries, wrote it all the way back up to the top, okay? Now, you do not have to do anything manually. We've coded the software so that it'll calculate what to do and when to do it. The only thing you need to do is learn the entry pattern, which the software will do for you, but at least you understand what it's doing, and then wait for manipulation opens. If you're an opening range trader, trading the one and done, or if you're an orb trader, or if you're somebody that looks at the opening range and trades your other strategies, this will change your results. It's changed my results. It's also allowed me to trade the other strategies more profitably by understanding what's happening with the opening range. So just knowing the manipulation and the rotations and the flushes and just what they're doing can drastically change your trading, and it can really improve your results, right? So we're going to be doing a webinar. Okay, in this email, you're watching this video. Make sure you click. We're going to be doing a giveaway. This isn't going to be some big sales pitch. This is going to be led with trading results, exact rules, the software to do everything for you. I'll be doing live trading sessions like we do after every webinar. I'll be doing a live workshop so you guys can join me. I'll trade it in front of you. I'll do it with you, right? But you owe it to yourself. If you're somebody that ever looks at the opening range, has got stopped out, sick of getting stopped out, sick and tired of being manipulated off the opening range, this is probably one of the biggest webinars I've ever put together, and I'm just excited to share it with you because I've been trading this for weeks and soon to be months, and I can't wait to trade it with each and every one of you. God bless, traders. We'll see you in the event. Take care.